Hey, so I have a Briggs and Stratt lawnmower here that my neighbor picked up. It is a 6 horsepower Quantum, and there's supposed to be a fuel leak on this. Well, I'm gonna start it up and see what happens, and then I'm gonna fix it for him. So first of all, the lawnmower is not starting. What I'm gonna check is the screw under the float bowl, which is right behind this stuff that we're gonna have to take off, and I already did that. So take this screw off, this cover, and this off. Just need to take 3 bolts out of the back, which is 1, 2, and 3. And after you've removed that, you can see the float bowl underneath, and there's a brass screw that's holding it on, and we're gonna try to clean that. Use a vice grip to pinch down the fuel line. When you take out the float bowl screw, so that fuel doesn't come out and leak all the fuel from the tank. The screw here takes a 13mm socket.
On this lawnmower.
Here it is. The screw has 3 needle passageways for the fuel to flow through, and it's got a gasket on it. We gotta make sure it's clean of any blockage, because if there's any blockage, then fuel won't go through the carburetor. Find a piece of wire that is small enough to get in the hose and clean it. What I'm using is just a piece of tie. Looking at inside this center hole, it looks like it's clogged, so I'm just gonna clean it. Yeah, it feels like it's clogged in there. And then just put everything back together. This engine air filter definitely needs to be changed. Now let's try starting it up. You gotta prime it first though. Oh, guess there is no fuel leak. Well, it looks like it's good to go.